इस नारी सशक्तिकरण की एक खास छाया को जो लगातार बिपिन जी के साथ, इस संस्था के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलती रही। बहुत ही सहज में प्रारंभ से कहता रहा हूँ, मैं लगातार देख रहा हूँ उनको, कभी कोई अहंकार नाम की भाव चेहरे पे नहीं आता कि मैं गोल्ड इंस्टीट्यूट की ज्वाइंट डायरेक्टर हूँ और इतना बड़ा संस्था, इतने डॉक्टर हमारी संस्था से निकलते हैं। तो मेरा आशय आप समझ गए होंगे। मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ अपनी वाणी के लिए, अपने संबोधन के लिए डॉक्टर ममता सिंह, ज्वाइंट डायरेक्टर गोल्ड इंस्टीट्यूट। आपसे आग्रह है, आप आए।
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Mamta Singh, Joint Director, Gold Institute. She's done her MD and from Mumbai, and she's done her MBBS from Mumbai, and she is the Joint Director at Gold Institute. She's published 2 papers in the International Journal of Recent Trends in Science and Technology. She's been the receiver of Nari Achievement Awards in 2014 for her contribution in education. Recently, she's been recipient of G. Adhiraj Samman 2021 for outstanding service to the society. Please welcome Dr. Mamta Singh at the Gold Annual Function.
Thank you, Salish sir. Thank you, Gaurav ji, for your kind words. Good afternoon, respected State Honorable Chief Guest, our State Health Minister Mangal Pandey sir, our Guest of Honor S.K. Pandey sir, Blessing Guest Sir Sunil sir, Dr. Ravi Kant and Salish sir, Director sir, and respected parents, media persons, the whole Gold team, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the successful students from my bottom of my heart. Success, you all know, is not achieved in a day or in a night. It comes from the hard work, dedication, and commitment. I truly believe that if you are not ready to sacrifice anything, the things that are closest to your heart, you won't be able to achieve your goal in life. I came to know how much you have sacrificed in the last 2 years. Like staying away from your parents, staying in the hostel only is a difficult task. You are not having your homemade food which your mother used to make for you. You are also not allowed to keep the mobile phones. You were staying away from social media and all that. So it was a very difficult task. Still you have achieved the success, you have achieved your dream. So I don't mean to say that you should sacrifice all the things. You should not enjoy your life. You should enjoy it, but in a limited way, in a controlled manner, okay? Like MBBS is a very long journey, the 5-year journey. So you should not sacrifice your sleep. You should also not sacrifice your food. You should take balanced diet. As a guardian or as a doctor, I want to say that you should lead a healthy lifestyle. Wherever you go, in any medical college you will go, you should take proper sleep. You should have balanced diet. In spite of doing your study, you are going to get a very hectic schedule in the medical college, you know. You have to wake up early in the morning and you have to attend all the lectures and practical classes which run for long hours. So you should have the stamina. For that you should take your proper meal. Never skip any breakfast or meal. I have seen in my medical college that especially girls, they used to skip breakfast early in the morning. So it's not a healthy lifestyle. Take proper sleep, take proper diet, and then study in a routine way. See, after completing the 5 years of MBBS, you will again be in the same position. You will have to face NEET PG exam. I don't want to depress you, but I just need you to remain focused in your life, in the coming future, so that you can qualify the NEET PG exam, you can get good scores there, and then only you can get the desired, the specialized branch you want, in which you want to do a specialization. So, all the best for the successful students for your bright future. I also want to say for those students who have not succeeded this year, see, failure is the key to success. So, maybe I believe that the next year the success is waiting for you. You will be in medical college or in the, you will be in same, you will wear apron for the next year. Lekin for that you have to plan accordingly. You must have taken lesson from the medicos who have cleared this